Check the coolant level. It's low, but it ain't empty. Sound like a pulley is going bad. Like the bearings on a pulley might be the water pump. It kind of went away now. One of the pulleys bad. The idler pulley is a little loose. Thermostat leaking. Yeah, thermostat leaking as usual. I don't think that's supposed to be like that there. Alright, so we got a P0456 evap code and a P0128. That's that thermostat rationality code. That's because of that coolant leaking. Alright, so I don't have all my accessories for my smoke tester, so I'm gonna have to come back and do the test on that. But what we are gonna do is the thermostat. I did give the client a quote, and we're gonna knock it out real quick. I'm gonna take it off now, and then I'm going to go to the parts store, which is not far, and I won't be charging for that. It's like 10 minutes, not even. There's 2 bolts holding this thermostat in, 10mm bolts. All right, AutoZone, we go.
Cash card.
Card. All right, let's get this thing complete. Brand new one. Boom. Put that guy back together. Yes, ma'am. Everybody car tore up. Lord. Alright, we in there. We're gonna put it back together, fill it up, top it off, open up the bleeder valve, and bleed the air out the system. Start it up, turn on the heat, full blast. Next, I'm gonna be removing this idler pulley. It's leaking, so I'm gonna just go ahead and remove the belt. Alright, so this was the noise. I took it off. I didn't show you because my glasses, the storage got full. Had to transfer some files over, but that's it. And you can see this here, no noise. But if you do this, we got noise. So that was the problem right there. That's it. Put the belt back on. Belt is on. Alright, let's start it up. It's quiet now. Nice and quiet, no more squeaking. He said in the morning when he started up, he can hear a slight squeak, but it'll kind of go away. That was the problem there. So he's good there.